For what value of n a raised to the power n plus 1 plus b raised to the power n plus 1 over a raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n is a GM between a and b? We know that the GM between a and b is given as square root ab. So in this case, we want to find that for what values of n this will be equal to a raised to the power n plus 1 plus b raised to the power n plus 1 over a raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n. Square root ab can also be written as ab raised to the power 1 over 2 or a raised to the power 1 over 2 times b raised to the power 1 over 2. And we can multiply a raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n on the left hand side. So it will be a raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n. And on the right hand side, we can write it as a raised to the power n plus 1 plus b raised to the power n plus 1. Simplifying further, the left hand side can also be written as a raised to the power half plus n times b raised to the power half plus a raised to the power half times b raised to the power half plus n. And on the right hand side, we have a raised to the power n plus 1 plus b raised to the power n plus 1. Rearranging the terms here, we get a raised to the power half plus n times b raised to the power half minus a raised to the power n plus 1 is equal to, if we take this term on the other side, so we have b raised to the power n plus 1 minus a raised to the power half times b raised to the power half plus n. On the left hand side, we can take a raised to the power half plus n common. So we'll have b raised to the power half minus a raised to the power half. And on the right hand side, we can take b raised to the power half plus n common. So we'll be left with b raised to the power half minus a raised to the power half. We can cancel out b raised to the power half minus a raised to the power half on both sides. This gives us a raised to the power half plus n is equal to b raised to the power half plus n, which can also be written as a over b raised to the power half plus n equals 1. And that can also be written as a over b raised to the power n plus half is equal to a over b raised to the power 0. Equating the powers, we get n plus half is equal to 0 or n is equal to negative 1 over 2.